Right. So we're discussing about graph. Let us see the other graph, the velocity displacement graph. We have velocity displacement graph. So if you take displacement is independent because displacement changes, the velocity will exit now. So this is the displacement side. This is the velocity side. If you take a graph like this, okay, suppose it takes a shape like this, not necessarily you should take like that. I'm taking an example. Right? Now you can see at this point, the velocity is some v. Agreed. Now, if you draw tangent to this, okay. Suppose this is S. This displacement can be known, no? Understood this? This will be V, no? Do you agree with this or not? Then this is theta, no? What is tan theta, man? That is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. V by S. Understood this? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose, what is the acceleration actually?
U minus U by D.
The acceleration is dv by dt. This is dv by ds. Can I write like this?
Yes. Into ds by dt.
This is nothing but dv by ds into v. That means v into dv by
U
ds.
by ds.
Agreed? Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is nothing but dv by ds is nothing but slope only, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, this weekend exam is fully graphed.
Pardon?
Sir, this weekend exam portion is fully graphed.
Yeah, only graph, only graph.
Okay,
Okay?
sir. Okay, sir.
So here, acceleration Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second here, 1 second. Completed, sir.
Right. Now sometimes they'll be giving V square as graph also. This week only graphs is the portion. All questions are only graphs. I think you can score very good marks. Graphs are easy, and this graph need not be like that. It may be anything. I am taking as an example. Suppose the graph is like this. Okay. As usual, what you will do at any point, draw one tangent. This is theta. Okay. Suppose this is some V1 or this is some S1. Okay. Then what is tan theta? V1 square. Agreed? What is this?
We are taking squares.
V square, this is no, this is not.
S1
Okay, agreed. And you
Yes,
know what is the acceleration, man? dv by dt. This is dv by ds into ds by dt. V dv by ds. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
This
sir.
is nothing but V at any point. Okay. This won't be slope, no? More. Now, if you take actually slope here, do you agree with this? So this is d, this is v square by ds. How much you'll get? 2 times acceleration, no? They are the points you can get from this. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yeah, understood.
Followed?
Sir.
అయితే
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute.
So don't mug up all this. I'm just telling the methods. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understood the method overall, but the basement is nothing but slope, man, nothing else.
Complete, sir.
Completed, sir. Thanks, sir. Completed.
Okay. This is VS graph, V versus graph, and V square versus S graph for motion of two particles is as shown. Understood this? Find acceleration of particle at s equals to 0.
Sir,
Oh, tell me.
so in the second graph, we are squaring the units of velocity.
Yes, because this velocity square, na? So units will be squared automatically. So this is nothing but 20. This is 50 meters. Understood this?
Sir,
Right? You can easily get.
For first one, 2.5 meter per second square. For first graph.
You can write like this, no? Okay. I can get the slope. What is V? 20, no? Because the angle is obtuse, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Opposite by, do you agree with this or not? Understood this?
Yes, sir. Next one, minus 4 by 6. Minus 4 by 5, sir.
Slope is constant for minus 8 you're getting, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Sir, he asked for s is equal to 0, no, sir. Distance is equal to 0. Sir,
S is 0 is 0, no? At this
sir,
point
then
only.
why did you took 50 along the
Huh?
20 by 50? Then if you take 20 by 0, no, sir, for s is equal
No,
to 0.
man. Slope is constant, no? At any point here also, what is the slope?
Constant.
So I am finding the slope here. Same thing is there, no? I wrote that only, no?
Sir.
Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Followed this? Now try that for second one.
Minus 16, sir.
Minus.
16.
Shall I done this? Okay, I'll do this in small
Sure.
spaces. See,
Done, sir.
for the second part of the problem, question, you can see what is the slope when at any point. This is slope, negative or positive?
Negative.
Minus tan theta, no? Minus into 20 by 50. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because if that is theta, this will be 180 minus theta, no? Tan 180 minus negative. Understood this or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is actually the slope? dv
2 into
square
acceleration.
by, this is nothing but 2v dv by ds. This is actually the slope mean. Slope is this, you know, for this. So this is
Yes, sir.
nothing but 2
2 into
in
acceleration.
v into acceleration. 2 at s is equal to 50. How much you have? V is 20. Do you agree with this? Clear? And what is the acceleration here? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
And this is nothing but minus 2 by 5.
Sir, VdV
So what
by
is-
dx is acceleration only, no, sir?
Which
Yes,
one?
sir.
That only you have to find.
You wrote v into acceleration there.
Where? dv by ds is acceleration, correct or not?
No, sir. V into dv by ds is acceleration, no, sir.
dv by ds is acceleration. I wrote that only.
Sir,
No,
in
here you are
last
saying.
page you wrote that V into dV by ds is
dv by ds is acceleration you wrote, sir. That whole is only acceleration you wrote, sir. 2 into acceleration.
yes, sir.
So this you are saying, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That
That only, sir.
This is correct or no?
there you
Yes,
wrote
sir.
2 into v into acceleration, sir.
See, man, when you differentiate, what is that you are getting?
Yes, sir. Here you wrote correct, sir. 2 into acceleration.
Yes.
There you wrote 2 into v into acceleration.
Oh, this one.
V will not come.
Okay, okay.
V
Okay.
will not come, sir. Only acceleration.
Okay, okay. Acceleration. How much it comes to? Am I
Sir,
right?
acceleration is, sir, acceleration V into dV by ds, no, sir. V
Yes,
into dV by
correct.
ds, sir. So 20 into 2 by 5.
Here meant
20
2 into acceleration, no?
Yes, sir.
From that I am getting acceleration.
Yes, sir. Got.
Understood your doubt?
Then for first one you wrote 20 into minus 2 by 5.
Where? This is
For first one,
VDVS
sir.
for this graph. This is for this graph. This is for one particle, this is for another particle. Understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
These are
Yes, sir.
two separate problems. This is one problem, this is another problem. Sometimes he'll give VS graph, sometimes he'll give V square S graph. Okay? So our aim is how to find acceleration if Vs graph is given. How to find acceleration if V square versus S graph is given. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Sir, for then the V-square versus displacement graph, the acceleration is 2 into acceleration.
No man, acceleration is always v dv. That only, that won't change. Now, what is the slope of this I have taken? Slope is what? dy by dx, no? From this
Sir.
graph, what is slope, man? Slope is dy by dx. What is present on y? V square. What is present as s? This is 2v dv by ds. This is nothing but 2 times acceleration. That only I wrote here. Graph to graph definition of acceleration won't change, no?
Yes,
For
sir.
this
Yes, sir.
graph one, that graph will have like that.
No, sir.
Then here if you look at this, this whole thing is acceleration. This is 2. Slope is dy by dx. Understood this? Here what is the slope here? Slope is here dy by dx. Here y is only what? What is there on the y coordinate? Y.
V.
That is s. Acceleration is this. So that is v into slope I am taking. At which point s is equal to 0. What is it? S is equal to 0. What is v? 20. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir. It's clear.
The definitions will never change in science. Once we define something, yes, you have to change the given data so that it fits that definition. Shall I turn this page?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Tell.
how did we get that 0.2, sir? Here, this.
This is acceleration, no?
Sir.
2 will get cancelled, no? So acceleration is minus 1 by 5, no?
Uh,
Minus 1 by 5 is minus 0.2 only, no?
sorry, sir. I got confused.
Why there should be confusion if there is a consistency in learning? Confusion will never be there. Inconsistency only. Right, come back to this. Anyhow, the problem with this, these dirty schools did not do anything even grasp. These are all 8th class analysis. When did you come across graphs in school, man?
9th standard in CBSE board, sir.
Hmm?
In 9th standard CBSE board, they just taught us velocity time graph, the derivation of formulas, sir. S is equal to ut plus half at square. That's it.
They should teach fully.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come back to this. Half the time is completed with Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Environmental Day, Republic Day. Right. This is some graph. The graph here again, why it looks and all is none of our business. From the given data, you have to do that, sir. This is 100, okay? At this point. And at this point, he has given this as 60. And this is 250. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Find with this meager knowledge, people are irregular to classes, man. That is the astonishing part. Right. Do it. S is equal to 150 means where does it come in? Still? S is equal to 150 means somewhere in between, no? Somewhere in between, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
you can get the speed. Okay. So here, see, you know slope equation, no? See, follow carefully. This is one coordinate. Let the velocity be some v1. See, at D, the coordinates are coordinates of D. What are those coordinates? I am taking as 150. Is asking that or no? Velocity is v1. Do you agree with this? A, the coordinates are 100, comma 50. B, the coordinates are 250, comma 60. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, agreed, sir.
Now, slope is what actually? Slope between 2 points is delta y by delta x. You learned this. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir, agreed, sir.
So here for a straight line, so here we'll do like this. Between AD, slope is how much? Y2 V1 minus 50 by 150 minus 100. For DB, what is the slope mean? DB, that means 60 minus V1 by 250 minus 150. But ADB are on same line. Therefore, slope of AD must be equal to slope of what? DB. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
So straight line slope is same, no? Substitute
Yes,
this
sir.
V1 minus 50 by 150 minus 100. This should be 60 minus V1 by
250
250
minus
minus.
150.
You will get V1. V1 at what? It is asking that only, no? Find V velocity speed at 150. Do you agree with this? Speed at what? 150.
So that
Agreed?
point D is on 150 meters, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. This is at 150.
Okay, sir.
I wrote that only, no? Here.
Yes.
The velocity may be from V1 I am taking. How much you are getting here?
10 by 3, sir.
Huh? He gave 160 by 3.
160 by 3, sir.
Yes, sir. 160 by
160, sir. 160.
Agreed?
Sir.
Shall I turn this? So next. Clear? Any doubt is there here? Children?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Do fast.
Sir,
Tell.
this is velocity, na? 160 by 3. But sir, in question it is given speed.
What is that you're talking?
Sir, he is saying that velocity is 160 by 3 we found, sir. But in the question they are asking speed.
If the body moves in a straight line without change in direction, then speed and displacement are same. That is velocity and the displacement and distance are same. Therefore, speed and velocity are same now.
Yes, sir.
Here the velocity is positive only. V is positive. This means velocity is having same direction. Do you agree with this? Okay. So therefore, displacement equals what? Distance. And hence velocity magnitude equals speed. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now the next part what he is asking is, what is it he is asking? Acceleration at S is equal to how much? 150 meters. Understood this? So acceleration at one, actually what is acceleration, man? You know that dv by dt,
dv by
that is
dx.
dv by ds into ds by dt. This gives you v dv by dx. Do you agree with this? So here if you look at this, that is v into slope. V versus S graph. Okay, therefore at S is equal to 150, acceleration is V at 150 into slope.
At 150.
This is nothing but V1. Already you got slope of line. Because all points have on a straight line. This you remember now?
Yes, sir.
So this is V1 already you got previously, already you got slope. V1, you can take anything. Okay, slope is V1 into anything you can take. V1 minus 50 by 150 minus 100. Okay, what is V1 you already got?
160 by 3.
Substitute that. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow the graphs exam will be like this. Simplest one, man.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, can you please conduct a class on graphs tomorrow, sir?
I did not get one.
No, sir,
Pardon?
can you please conduct a revision class tomorrow, sir, on graphs?
Why? You're absent, huh?
No, sir, just for revising.
Okay, these chapters are simple, I'll conduct man. Coming chapters, they'll be very, very, very lengthy and difficult. Okay, I'll just plan, wait.
Okay,
Because I have Sharma sir and all only takes 2 hours. I have nearly 10 to 11 hours work, all sections I have. Because physics lecturers are not available. So I'm quite busy actually. Again, question paper, assignment preparation, so all that will be there. I'll try to manage, wait. If many are there, I'll conduct. 1 or 2 students will be difficult. Anyway, I'll post
okay,
the
sir.
message.
Thank you, sir.
I'll post some message. Okay, anyhow, come back to this.
Thirty-two by nine, sir.
32 by 9.
32 by
9.
9.
32 by 9, sir.
1 second, I'll check the. Yes, 32 by 9. See, what you're free from 3:30 onwards in the evening, afternoon.
Today free, sir, and
No,
tomorrow
no.
also.
When is
No,
your
sir. 3 to 4 RHS chemistry class will be there, sir.
3 to 4 or 2 to 3?
3 to 4.
Then no class. RF sir.
After that, free, sir.
no class.
No, no. What I'm saying is there's AIMS class for my juniors. If you want, you can re-attend that class. I'm saying in the evening, daily.
Okay,
Second
sir.
time, if you're
Okay, sir.
interested.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
No, those are interested. You'll have an extra edge, 1/4 same thing. Okay, shall I turn this?
What time you
Sir.
took the class?
It's actually 3:30 to 5, 3:45 to 5. 3:45 to 5, 5:15. So 3:30 to 5. If you want, I'll ask, are you set to adjust from 2 to 3 or something?
Okay, sir.
Because I am blocked with half evening, I cannot take class almost from 5:15 to 7 because there are 2 prayers. Afternoon, 1:15 to 2:15, again people need 1 to 2:15 prayer time. That means here almost we are blocked with 3 hours. After that, I have to take other lecturers and my timetable. That's the reason why many sections I have now. So quite Krishna Mohan sir asked medical some problem as there, geology people. Again they asked me to change. Again I changed. So that's why don't get irritated if times change. Maths sir is a guest. He just come, teach and go. That's all. Because he is hanging only maths means not many are there. BIPC again physics is there. No? I think your chemistry class also strength will be more. That is combined section.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am not taking to the second section. Only first section I am taking because of lack of time. After sir told me to take that also. No time. You need draw this graph. See, this is straight line only. It may be little bit inclined you feel. Again, don't think because I am not drawing scale now. Find velocity displacement. Find not 150, sorry. When x is 100 meters. Okay. Issue initial velocity equals 0. Don't leave anything, read everything. I am here to help you and repeat any number of times, okay? Provided you are regular, the clause is there. We need velocity, no?
So that is meter per second square or meter by second whole square.
Which one?
That
The
acceleration.
acceleration unit euro meter per second whole square.
Bracket has come. See, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Physics, once you learn, you won't forget, man. Forever in life, you'll remember. Engineering also, you'll feel very easy. Yeah, there's no memory required for this, no, only logic. So here, VdV, if you cross multiply, what you'll get? Any doubt is that till here? Boys?
No, sir.
Okay, this is some S naught. Agreed. What is this actually? Area under? They agree with that?
Then what's the displacement graph?
Remember? See, remember what is area? Integral y dx. Long back I told you.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So V square is U square plus 2 times area under which graph? A versus S graph. Acceleration versus S. Here S is X. Understood this? This is how you have to get connected, man. I'm giving everything, but sometimes he may change something. Understood this? If you know that's why reasoning, if you know derivations and all, you can do any problem.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, v square equals to u square plus 2. Sir, where we get sir 2? From where
Pardon?
we get 2? From where we get 2 in the last second?
Here, this is there, no?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Any doubt?
If it is v square by 2 minus u square by 2 is equal to integral of ADS, then that should be v square by 2 is
Area.
equal to.
This is area,
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So this 2 I am sending this side.
But the new square by 2 also will come now, sir.
I'm not integrating this, man. I'm not integrating this whole thing. I'm taking as area.
Yes, sir, understood. Actually, nature mic.
Somebody please don't discuss anything with family members in classes.
Atul Ashraf, mute your mic.
Concentrate on classes. Huh? So shall I go with the problem now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, you want to find area. Understand that what is area under the government? Area is nothing but integral of y dx. That means here you have acceleration. This is nothing but dx. But to integrate this, acceleration is not constant. It is changing now. The graph indicates that what is not constant?
Acceleration.
Acceleration is not constant. Do you agree with this? So A acceleration varies with what? With x. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how we can say that acceleration is not constant?
Here you can see that from the graph at different values of x, acceleration is different now. See, at 50 it is 3, at 150 it is 6. Agreed? Hello? So now we have to find, so varies with x linearly, means graph is straight line now. So we'll first get how to get the acceleration. So what you'll do now, at some x, let the acceleration be a. This is PQS. Now you know that slope of PQ must be equal to what? Slope of QS. Do you agree with this? Now this point we should know. For this, what are the points, man? X is 53. For this, what do you have? X comma A. For this, what are the coordinates? 150 comma 6. So this is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, QS is how much? Y2 minus y1 by 150 minus x. See how much you're getting A in terms of x you'll be getting.
In place of x, you can directly take 100, right?
Where?
In place
X is
of
equal to
x,
100. Sir.
No.
directly.
While integrating, you have to take. First, you should get this integral. Limits onwards, you have to substitute. You cannot take directly.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Therefore, what is the area if you take A dx? That is nothing but 3 by 100x plus 3 by 2 into dx. Now, displacement means initial. What is that? 0. Origin it is not. It is x final. What is the final he gave? 100. Understood this? Right. Initially, it starts from an origin, no? It starts from the origin or not? Here x is 0 only, no? This is 100. You can do this integration, I think, no? Or I'll do it, wait. 3 by 100 x dx, x varies 0 to 100, plus 3 by 2 dx, x is 0 to x is 100. You can integrate this, I think, now. Once you get this area, our problem is solved. Then you have u square plus 2 times area. U is 0. Okay, 2 into whatever area you get. So we need V, root over 2 times area. Understood the whole question? Is it not easy, man? You are just manipulating the slopes. Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
It necessary to take a
Pardon?
sorry. In this acceleration also, we formed one equation with the acceleration when we sir.
We got acceleration, okay.
Sir, is it necessary, sir? We can directly put 100 meters and we can find it.
No, you cannot put 100 because of this acceleration varies with x. At different values of x, you will get different values of a. Unless you integrate that, you cannot get that. Because integral of x dx is x square by 2. If you directly put, you will get only x, no?
Yes, sir.
They're different or not?
Yes, sir. It's different. Now I understood, sir. Thank you.
I think this integration, you know, I think, no?
$300 we are getting, sir.
Total, huh?
Yes, 300 area.
I think he gave 600.
Answer is 600, sir. Under root 600.
This area, you tell how much you got.
Area is 300.
Okay.
Under root 600.
This is 10 root 6.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Shall I turn this? All of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you complete, tell me. I am waiting for your answer. Right, come back to this. Similar problem. And I think with this I have discussed almost all graphs. This is V square versus S. If suppose this is given. Okay. This is like this. At 2000, what is given is 2060. This is some 2000 it seems. This is nothing but 60. Okay, at 1500, you can see this is 100. Find displacement of particle during last 2 seconds. Okay. Shall I do? See here what we can get, let us see. We shall get slope. How to get slope? Okay. So here, as you know, you take some point, anywhere you can take. This is some S. This is V1 square. This is some S1, for example. So you can get the coordinates. One is 60, 2000. This is S1, V1 square. This is 100, 1500. What is the slope? Y2 minus Y1 by, that is also equal to 1500 minus V1 square by 100 minus S1. Do you agree with this? Hello? So this
Yes, sir.
will be, this will actually give V square minus 10 S1 plus 100. So this implies that V and S are related as V square equals minus 10S plus 100. Followed this? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now we will differentiate this. 2V dV by ds is minus 10. Okay. We'll differentiate with t. That will be easier for us. Minus 10 ds by dt plus 100. Agreed? This is 2v into acceleration minus 10 into
Go into acceleration.
That's d by dt of 100 0 now.
which 100, man?
Sir,
Okay.
plus 100.
Yes.
The acceleration, sir.
So what is a? Minus 5. Do you agree? B will get cancelled now.
That is going to acceleration, right?
Oh, this is t. A is v dv by ds,
Yes, sir.
or A is with respect to time. Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, understood, sir.
Constant, no? So we shall get u. So we have v square at s is equal to 0 beginning. What is v? U. So u square equals 0 plus 100. U is how much? Understood this?
Sir, I'm not understanding it, sir.
Which one? Till here you followed?
Okay, from about that.
This one.
Yes, sir. From there, I'm not understanding.
I have differentiated with respect to t and differentiating with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So you have 2v dv by dt minus 10 is 0. V will get cancelled. This is A. Understood till here?
Sir,
Hello?
why should V come, sir? It is just going to acceleration like slope.
No. I am differentiating this. Where this is t. T.
Okay, sir. Understood.
V square is 2v into, remember this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
You know, acceleration is this. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if total time of journey is t, that means finite velocity, that means at t equals to t, at some time, because velocity is decreasing, no? Velocity will become 0. We don't know where it is. Understood this or not? Hello? So here you can use v is equal to u plus at. Can be used or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you first note until here. I'll turn the page. Complete this. So we have successfully extracted acceleration. We have successfully extracted initial velocity. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir, please wait.
Shall I turn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see what you got, man. Finally, you have come across. We found acceleration is minus 5 meters per second square. This means this is constant, no? Therefore, what you can use? Kinematic equations can be used or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason why again also we got, what is that you got? U, 10 meter per second. So let T be the total time of motion. What is the meaning of total time of motion? That means this implies that at time t, velocity will be 0. That means particle comes to rest, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am using V is
Yes, sir.
equal to U plus AT. Finally, it will be 0. Initially, it is 10. Acceleration is minus 5t. This is how much? 2.
Yes, sir. 2.
Now, that's what he has asked now. You'll get 2 only, no? U is how much when we got? Hello, you got this? See here, what is this equation? Just check up once again. Any error is there in that? I think it comes to 2500, I think. This equation, if you take, you'll get 2500. Anyhow, that is becoming 0. It won't affect these results, but it will affect this. Okay, this comes to 2500. 2500 root is how much? 50.
50.
To make these corrections.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that is V square minus U square equal to 2AS formula.
Yes. No. I'm using this equation. This equation only I'm taking directly. Because, understood this or not?
We are taking directly and getting its roots.
Hmm?
You are taking that directly and getting its roots, sir. Getting the roots of U.
Yes, you'll get root, no?
Yes, yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here you got 50 meter per second. So
T
this
equals
is
10.
50, 10 seconds. How I got out is he said last 2 seconds. That means total time should be greater than 2 seconds, no? Now
Yes, sir.
he is asking, as per the question, displacement in what time? Read the question. Displacement during last 2 seconds. That means Sn U plus, remember this?
Sir, but this is for 1 second, no, sir.
No, that means, see, we need displacement between what? Last 2 seconds means, please see, this is displacement in the first 2 seconds.
Yes, sir.
S1. Okay,
Sir,
we'll
in
do
the
one thing.
equation.
We cannot use the
Sir?
10th second now. See here, S1 is a displacement in 8 seconds. S2 is a displacement in 10 seconds. Therefore, displacement in last 2 seconds is asking. That is nothing but how much? S2 minus S1. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. We agree, sir.
This is 8 seconds. This is the last 2 seconds, no? Understood this or not? So yes,
Understood, sir.
what is the displacement in 8 seconds? ut, u is this 0, sorry, 50, t is 8 seconds, minus half, a is how much you got? A.
Minus 5.
Huh?
Minus 5.
So this is 50. Okay. Minus 5 into t square. Minus, what is S1? 50 into 10 minus 5 into 10 square. Simplify this, you'll get the answer. Follow this. See here, more important is the method. See how much you're getting this?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Tell.
There it is S2 minus S1, so they should be 50 into 10 minus half into 5 into 10 square.
This one, huh?
Yes,
This
sir.
one. Ut
Yes.
minus half 80 square, na?
Yes, sir, I understood that, but
Sir, but 50 into 10. Sir, S2 is 50 into 10 minus you wrote 8.
you,
Sir, you have done S1 minus S2.
Okay.
Sir.
This is reverse. Okay.
Sir, 10 meters.
Pardon?
10 meters.
Yes, 10 meters.
Sorry, if we find the displacement in 9 seconds, then find in 10 seconds and we add, then we will get same answer, sir.
Yes, you can do that also 2 times. Displacement 9th second. Displacement in 9th second. You can use u plus a into 9 minus half. In 10th second, you can find u plus a into 10 minus half. You can add this. Okay. This is the displacement in last
10
2
only
seconds.
we are getting, sir.
You can use that also. See, now you are also getting ideas. Like that, slowly everybody will improve. That is only physics. In one stroke, you will catch up. Me, that is not physics, nor that is not IIT. Any subject, once you hear, you will understand fully. That is not IIT. That is board exam. Till here, any doubts are there, man, children?
No, sir.
Right. You can go for your prayer. See, from Monday onwards, your class will be from 11 to 12:30. They won't any objection?
No, sir.
No
Actually,
problem.
1 o'clock you're going for prayers. Now already people left the meeting for prayer, I know. 1 o'clock only. So if I leave at 12:45, any difficulty you have for prayer?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
When you have 11 to 12:30, you'll have my class.
Sir,
Krishna Mohan class, morning 7:15 to 8. We
Friday,
just
sir.
swap. Huh?
Friday, we need to go
Sir.
fast, sir.
At
Yes, sir.
what time you
Friday.
want to go? Friday, what time
So
you
you'll
tell?
face
Before 12:30, sir.
12, sir.
Friday, what time when you have to go?
12 o'clock, sir.
12. Okay. On Fridays, I'll start early, like 10:30, like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. No,
Yes,
I am trying to see that you won't be disturbed in any manner. You to do the work properly. Okay. Right.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care then. Tomorrow you have these graphs only. And evening I'll send the password to your group also. If you're interested,
Yes,
you
sir.
can join your wish. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Sir, thank
While
you.
joining,
Thank you, sir.
please see. While joining, keep that GL40 and join. Okay. Again, the in charge will shout at you. Right?
Don't
Okay.
close
Take
the
it.
meeting, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Don't close the meeting, sir. I'll copy.
Okay. Copy.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Take care.